Playing fair, the heart of honesty and respect. Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a special topic that's not just about grammar or vocabulary, but also about the values we carry when we use the English language. The phrase we're going to explore is play fair. So, sit tight as we dive into what it means to play fair in games, in work, and in life. Play fair is a phrase that embodies honesty, respect, and adherence to the rules. To play fair means to act with integrity and treat all participants in any activity with fairness. It's often used in contexts where competition is involved, like sports, games, or even business. But it's not just about following the rules. It's about playing with a spirit of sportsmanship and equality. The term, play fair, likely originated from the concept of fair play in sports and competitive activities. Fair play refers to a philosophy of sportsmanship that prioritizes mutual respect among competitors, adherence to the rules, and graciousness in winning or losing. Let's look at some examples where the phrase can be used. In sports, the coach always tells his team to play fair and have a good game, regardless of the outcome. In business, it's important to play fair in negotiations to maintain a good reputation and relationships in the industry. In personal life, when playing board games with friends, remember to play fair and keep it fun for everyone. Playing fair is crucial because it goes beyond the game or activity at hand. It's about building trust and respect with others. When people know you as someone who plays fair, they see you as trustworthy and honorable. This reputation can open doors and create opportunities in all areas of life. The English language is rich with idioms that express the concept of fairness. Phrases like, give and take, honesty is the best policy, and fair and square, all relate to the idea of equitable conduct. Understanding these expressions can enrich your English communication skills and help you convey fairness in various situations. Thank you for watching today's video on the meaning of play fair. We hope you've gained some insight into not just the language, but also the cultural importance of fairness and integrity. Remember, playing fair makes not only games but also life more enjoyable for everyone. Keep practicing fairness in all you do, and see how it positively affects your relationships and reputation. Until our next lesson, keep learning and playing fair.